this video, titled as Getting Started with AWS CloudShell, we will be learning about various features and use cases of AWS CloudShell. We will see its features like upload, download, split into rows, split into columns, open new tabs, restart and destroy AWS CloudShell. We will also explore and try to create a file and then delete and upload that file. So let's see. We will be doing this lab into Whizlabs platform called Cloud Sandboxes. So after you log in, just click on the Cloud Sandbox and you will be on this page. Click on Get Started, or simply you can choose the AWS Sandbox. Click on Start AWS Sandbox and select a time. Time required to complete is less than 1 hour, so I'll go with 1 hour and click on Create Sandbox Environment. Acknowledge the changes and click on Start Sandbox. This will take about 20 to 25 seconds to provision a new AWS account. So here it is ready. Just click on Open Console. So you see a 12-digit account ID is already being present. Just simply copy the username and put it here, and then switch back and copy the password. And after that, just click on Sign In or press Enter. As soon as you land here into AWS console, just ignore if you are getting some errors and close this part, and let's start with CloudShell. To access the CloudShell, you can just simply click on this icon and CloudShell will open into the same tab. So let's open that into a new tab by clicking here. I'll just wait for it to get ready. Yeah, and you can click on Don't Show Me Again. Ignore that part and let's open into another tab. So this will take some time again, I believe. Yeah, if you are getting this, just click on Do Not Show Again and close it. Okay, so we are ready here. If you see, this is like a command line tool present for you inside the browser and inside your AWS account. So what does this mean? When you start a CloudShell environment, the permission that it has is the default ones that is given to your AWS account or the role that you have logged in. So for example, I am using this user called Wiz user, right? So whatever the permissions that this Wiz user has will be present to this CloudShell environment. So we can simply type some commands like ls. Let me just zoom it a little bit for you, or maybe go to preferences and click on medium font size. Yeah, this should be visible. So if I type ls, there is no file that is present to be listed. Okay, and if I go ahead and type the pwd, it means it will be telling me that hey, this is your present working directory. You are currently working here. So what is this basically? This is a EC2 environment given to you on a temporary basis to work on your stuff. Okay, so let's do one thing. We will now go ahead and create one file. So just simply click on touch and call it as demo.txt. okay, if I enter this and press ls, I will be able to see this file called demo.txt. now it doesn't has any content. The reason being is this is an empty file that I have created, and that's completely fine. Let's do the ls again to make sure that file is present here. That's great. Okay, so now it is the time to go ahead and try to download this file. Okay, so to download, let's see what is the requirement. I can go ahead and download this file, and it is saying that you need a complete file path. So let's do that part. I'll close this and just run this command again called pwd to make sure that we get the proper path. Okay, so this is the path, and click on download file and put it here, and after that just simply type demo.txt. so click on download and we will see here that file is getting downloaded. Yeah, it is asking me to a place where it can save. So I have just created a folder called demo, and this file is now downloaded. Okay, now what if you want to say upload some file? You can just simply click on upload file and choose to upload one of your files that you have. So for example, I have this image file. I'll go ahead and upload this image file. It will take some time depending on my internet speed to upload the file, but we will be able to see that same file here. Okay, let's click ls to see if we are able to see this image. This upload has been completed into this folder, and if I type ls, I can see that file already being present here. Okay, let's see what are the other options that we have. So I can go ahead into action and click on new tab. So new tab is basically how we operate in a browser. You get a new tab for your work. I'll close this, and then we have the option to split into rows. So basically you will be getting two terminal of the same instance. So for example, if you see here, the IP address is 164.242. Okay, and what else we have got? Let's close this part again. We can now split into columns. So for example, if I want mirroring to be done or trying to perform the same commands twice, I can do this part again. Okay, split into columns. We have the option to restart AWS CloudShell. So just in case you are trying to install some software which requires a restart, so you can restart. By restarting, you will not lose this file. So let's do this part. I'll click on restart, and let's see how much time does it takes. There were two files called demo.txt and an image file, so that should not be deleted. Let's see. This will take some time to make the environment ready, and if I do ls, I am able to see these files now. Okay, and what else we can do here? We can go ahead and delete this CloudShell home directory. Okay, by deleting this, I'll get a fresh account, or my all of the files will now be deleted. So let's do that too. If I type delete, zoop, I'm getting a completely new environment. And if I just type ls, I will not be able to see the files that I had previously. Okay, what else you have got in settings? So as I already did, I have a font size setting. You can go ahead and modify according to your preference. You have the theme, so you can go with light or dark theme. So let's see how light theme looks like. And then we have the option to enable the safe paste. So this is especially when you are trying to paste a multi-line text, this is required. Okay, so I hope you have got a brief idea about what are the features that are present with AWS CloudShell, and we will see it more detail in the next video. So to log out, just simply click on sign out. Once you have completed the sign out, okay, this page is now gone, so just close this part, and now you have a AWS sandbox environment running. Okay, what you can do is you can simply click on destroy sandbox environment, and to confirm the just acknowledge and paste this destroy, or you can just simply type the destroy in the text input field and click on destroy sandbox environment. So I hope you have now got a brief idea about what exactly is CloudShell. In this video we also learned about the upload, download, split into columns, split into rows, new tab, and we have seen some of the settings like the theme of CloudShell. We have seen the setting like adjusting the font size and enabling the multi-line text paste features. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.
Whizlabs, success certified.